Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive repair guide for the Asus UX8406M motherboard. In this video, we will break down the entire repair process into manageable steps so you can follow along easily. Let's get started. First, you will need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a cleaning brush. It's essential to have these tools on hand before we begin. Begin by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the back panel by unscrewing the screws with your Phillips screwdriver. Make sure to keep these screws organized, as you will need them later. Once the back panel is off, take a moment to visually inspect the motherboard for any obvious signs of damage, such as burnt components or loose connections. If you notice any such issues, it's crucial to address them immediately. Now, let's proceed to the internal cleaning. Using your cleaning brush, gently remove any dust or debris from the motherboard and surrounding components. This step is vital for preventing overheating and ensuring smooth operation. After cleaning, check the connections of the RAM modules and the CPU. Sometimes, reseating these components can resolve performance issues. If the RAM looks dirty, consider cleaning the gold contacts with isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth. If you encounter any issues during this repair that you are unsure of, remember, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Simply reach out, and we can help you identify the problem. Next, let's focus on the battery. Disconnect the battery from the motherboard to prevent any short circuits during the repair. Carefully lift it out and inspect it for any swelling or damage. If you find any issues, it's best to replace it. Once you've completed these steps, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Carefully place the battery back and reconnect it to the motherboard. Make sure all connections are secure before proceeding. Before reattaching the back panel, give everything one last check to ensure all components are properly seated and connected. If you don't have the tools or time to perform this repair yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means no calls, no travel, and you can get your device repaired at your convenience. Now, let's screw the back panel back on, ensuring that each screw is tightened properly but not over-tightened. This could cause damage to the enclosure. Finally, power on your laptop and check if everything is functioning as expected. If you still notice issues, we can provide a quote before repair to help you decide on the next steps. Thanks for following along with this detailed repair guide for the Asus UX8406M motherboard. We hope this tutorial has helped you gain the confidence to tackle your laptop repairs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.